If you had to write a book about men, ingathini title yayo?
Yeah. Men of today.
Yeah.
Or just men generally.
Just men in general, before we get to the men of today.
Hey, I don't know about the title, but there's a lot of things that I would like to teach the men out there.
Okay.
Yeah. As one of the things I mentioned here is that done from by 13.
Okay.
But today, when I speak to young men, I always say, Suzala kakun.
Okay.
If bunayo a chance, just don't.
Suzala at all.
If you are funuzala, you can zala knowing 1, 2. So yeah. Don't make that mistake. So Tina, when you see a beautiful one, a beautiful girl, and sasnende sasibiza bakudongcola disc back then uqumbi wami mhlelo mnanza mdongcola disc lo.
Okay. Kummithisa. Okay.
Because we thought at the time that uyamgcina kanye umenzo wakho by doing that.
Okay.
As if writer off that other men will not notice or see her or whatever the thing is. And as time go by, I realized you're not doing a koyo this thing of being a player, just don't.
Yes. Okay, no, and the big is iyafana nomuntu rich, yabo.
Yeah.
Fika umuntu rich ufika sihleli singamajita se. Asiko rich most. Athi machita imali ayibalekanga.
And it doesn't bring happiness.
Yabo. Silambile thina asinayo imali. Yena unayo imali usemalini yena. Uza kuthi lento nditsho ba umhlambi I think to a lot of men when you go to them and tell them bana andithi we player ne.
Yeah.
But xa usithi ubu player busebenzi bajonga wena bathi that is
Yeah. No, I get a lot of that.
Yeah.
And I don't want to lie to people out there and say I was never a player.
Okay.
I played.
Okay.
No, I played. I mean, as I say, I became popular at school at the age of 13.
Okay.
You see, when I got to 15, I'm just like, yeah, sure, this is me. Yeah, so I know that I sin now. It delays a lot. Because we are fans we are out there that are doing. I'm not saying how much they are
yeah,
but I think I seeing a piece because we're busy playing. You understand?
Yeah.
Kansas City just don't, because I'm not you invest a lot of energy in that thing. How we notice when the energy that you put into that thing.
Yeah.
It needs energy to player because you want to make sure that everything is in order.
Yeah.
I mean, we used to even stand like what Barcelona is in Share. Not in Asman upon West Pin. You just want to practice those things. I mean, look at that energy, look at the time.
Yeah.
Unnecessary, honestly speaking. We should be doing a lot of things with that time.
Yeah.
No go pes wish abana mwana mazana. So to Mars but not till uphuma esikolweni esithile xesha elithile, and then uzadibana kula kona because you ndlela yambayo. I mean, you're studying. You see? So
businesses needs ngezaziphume pha kula ngqondo.
The proposal I mean, you could come up with a lot of business proposals. Uzenze shoba ngoloni bule rejector but you get rejected once in business okanye in whatever you're trying serious ubuyumva kumahasuka
kodwa uyakwazi umuntu uphoxwe intombi eyi-1 50 times andizomncama
uphinda but when it comes to into ezibalulekileyo we don't do that.
Yes.
So we should change our focus into business as positive.
Yeah.
So that because whenever I speak to the young men, honestly, I always say it will be great. I think you're not to be successful at a young age. Be successful at a young age, drive your Mercedes at 24.
Okay.
Be okay, and it's doable. It's not like you're studying this.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, and ibone kakhulu kubafana abakhulele ngasedorophini kakhulu lona le bujonga bayazenza. They are successful at a young age. They are doing their things, and then thina lokishini those khula kunawezinjena, but the focus here too is on different things. All together.
Nobody doing.
Lokish doesn't teach us much.
Yeah,
ilokishi doesn't teach us much. Abafana base andithi apha ikhona le ikhona kubambalo. I will say it. And ndicinga manje igonyela ukuthi bambalo andinalo because I've done my research for this.
Okay.
Otata baklusa konyana babo eMonti okanye edorophini. Very much.
Than up.
Even up sekolukiwe honestly speaking, you don't see fathers there.
Yeah.
Only 1, 2 nalapho zoyezeshushu othe gqi okanye ufuna nje umntu ayohlala notshomi bakhe basele. It's not like they are there to teach
involved,
you, to give you, to speak to you and give you that love, because that's another thing that we are lacking. Asilinike uthando ezilokishini thina. otata basebaphayela babona beyakhona nyana bengabakhwetha bayisabe okay son. You never get it out I man.
Take one.
Yeah, that is it.
Yeah.
So umuntu doesn't get the love of which umntana nophi na no intombazana no indodana umntana uyalifuna uthando umfana umntana uyafuna uxelela uyathandwa nangutata wakhe na. The child wants to be hugged. Uthi uyayifuna la kiss go forehead. Let's give them those things. You understand? Mna ndizibukele over the years hence many people always say I raise my children differently. And I always say no, I think ndifunde kakhulu kwabana ndibana nabo kwezindawo ndiyamakuzo. If I say this kind of love and I love this. And lo mfana nyani kandibuza ukuthi hayi wenza into ethile usendaweni ethile ama yo these boys have achieved a lot at a very young age. And ke ngokazodlala ngelegacy yabazali bakhe throughout of which as lokishini chances are people play with the legacy of their parents.